Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you are extremely nice. Today I'm making some curry salmon. And first I'm gonna go in and see what kind of how I want to cut it and the size that I need. So this is half of a salmon, nice and big and chunky, and it was so long it couldn't fit on the cutting board, so I had to cut off a piece, and then that is why I have it slanted on the cutting board like that. So now that I know the size that I want, I'm going in for the cut off a piece. And there we go, nice and cut off. And now that we have space, I'm going to just turn it the right way now on my cutting board and turn the cutting board and get the cutting the other pieces off. So if you buy your salmon already sliced and in the pack nice and clean up and all them things, you don't have to worry about this part. But I like to buy my salmon like this. I love a whole salmon or a half, just a real nice big healthy piece of salmon, because we in this house we love salmon. So yeah, just get it to the size that you want, and then now we're going to go in for the season. Right now, Vibes FAM, this part is optional, or these seasonings optional if you want. So I added some onion powder, some garlic powder, and now I'm going to rub those onto it, right? But Vibes FAM, trust me, it always best or really nice to season your food. So I'm going in with some all-purpose seasoning, or you can use your fish seasoning, whatever seasoning you have, even for chicken. Listen, just season your food if you want, right? So rub that in, and now I'm adding some salt, because we don't necessarily want fresh food. So flip those over, and now we're going to do the same for the other side. So now we're done with that, flip them back around over upon the other side, and then now let's finish it up. Add some pepper on this side. Well, we add pepper every side, but yeah, add some pepper, some black pepper, and then that's it. So Vibes FAM, here are the ingredients that I will be using. We have some fish cubes. Say if you have chicken bouillon, if you have your little Maggi pack thing, you can use that. You don't have to use the fish stock. Vibes FAM, just improvise, it's gonna taste nice just the same. Right, so that same fish stock, the cube, I'm going to put it to dissolve. So I have half cup of hot water here, and I'm gonna put it in it. So while that is dissolving, right, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut up my sweet peppers. So here I have my favorite, the green one. So I'm gonna just cut some slices of it. So get it however size you like. And here I'm going in with the yellow one. Yellow is my mom's favorite color. Come true yellow. Yes, it's a very beautiful color. I like yellow, and I really like mustard too. And here, as in the color mustard. And here I'm just adding some carrot, cutting up some carrots. So Vibes FAM, guess what? Add whatever you like. So if you like tomato, some people like tomato, then you can add your tomato. It's food and it needs to be nice. So add whatever you like to your food, right? We agree on that? Say amen, amen. So here I'm cutting up some scallion, or green onion as they say over here. And yeah, so we're going to use this for garnish and also for when we are cooking the salmon. So here are the other stuff that I cut up. So now we're going to add about a tablespoon of oil to this hot pot, hot, and I'm going in with my favorite curry powder, Better Pack curry powder, Better Pack curry, the best curry, the best one in town. So good, strong and mighty, and coming like a force. So yeah, yeah, Vibes FAM, we're gonna burn the curry right? You know, you can do this the other way, as in you saute the onion and the scallion, the onion and sweet pepper and stuff, and then you add the curry and burn it. But I felt like doing it this way today, so I let it burn for about a minute or two. So right there, so now I'm just come back. You see it look different, and now I'm adding the onion and giving it a stir, and I'm gonna let this burn again for about another minute. I added a little bit more oil. I do not like oily food, hence why my pot look like this, but trust me, Vibes Fam, it is gonna work out. Don't worry about how it look now. So I added the sweet peppers and give it a mix, and then just leave it for about 2 minutes. Now here I am, you know, stirring up my fish cube, done melt and ready to go in the pot, and I'm gonna pour it into this pot right here. So give it a stir, and Vibes Fam, we're going to pour it in the pot, and then well, let me add my carrot first. Let me add them carrots, and then we're gonna pour in the fish stock. So yeah, give that a stir, stir, stir. Give it a stir. Try get all your nice little curry powder and stuff. Try and give it a stir and do that. And we're going to let this cook for a total of 10 minutes first, right? But first, we're going to cover it. So I added some pimento. Give it a stir. Then we're going to cover it and let it do 5 minutes first. Right, and then I'm going to come back and add something else to the pot. So 5 minutes. So here it is after 5 minutes, and I'm adding some cumin, some ground cumin. Now this is optional. I like the taste of cumin in my curry, but you don't have to put it in there. So yeah, give that a stir, and then we're going to cover it and make it do the next 5. So if you're not going to add the cumin, as I said, a total of 10 minutes cook time. And here we have it. Look, pampata baba. So yeah, Vibes Fam, we went ahead and we added the salmon. Just take your time and you put it in the pot and you say, yes, Sammy, take time and simmer. Okay, let me calm down. So here I'm just taking that nice curry, yes, and just putting it on the salmon. Now guys, salmon cooks so fast that is why I didn't put the curry powder on it. And then, you know, because no, we need the curry to be cooked. We really need the curry to be cooked, because yeah, your stomach will not like that, right? So yeah, here I'm just putting some of the putting the curry mixture on the salmon, and then and some of the vegetable just happen to just, you know, go on it, and I was like, eh, why not? So yeah, Vibes Fam, now I'm adding some scallion, some of the scallion, right? And we're going to cover this and allow it to cook for a total of 6 minutes, just 6 minutes. And then it's gonna be nice and cook. Don't make it necessarily past 8, on medium to low flame, by the way. So yeah, Vibes Fam, that is us after the 6 minutes. 8 tops, right? And here I just brush off the vegetable to the side, and here is our salmon, nice and cooked. And Vibe Sam, I'm telling you, smell so good. I mean, your kitchen just we just smell good. As I said, we need smelly vision. We absolutely need it. Vibe Sam, look on the salmon. Look at it. Look at it. Ooh, 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 ooh. So if you like salmon and you like curry, what? Tell me what you're talking about. What? So good. So good. And of course, you know, you add your little pepper, you know, to taste. You add your pepper to taste or whatever you like. But yeah, Vibe Sam, look at, oh, steamy. Look at it. So delicious, so nice. And trust me, your family will just absolutely enjoy. But of course, let's plate it up. I'm not gonna just leave it in the pot like this to show you guys, right? So yeah, Vibes Fam, here we have it. I don't know, I'm want to do the excitement. So yes, here it is in a plate, all plated out, thrown out delicately to the side with all the veggies, come through veggies. And Vibes Fam, guess what? The vegetable still nice and firm and like everything just magnifico. So good. Like it not soft and soggy, just cook right. And the salmon perfectly cooked. It tastes, Vibes Fam, I can't listen. Just try it. Why not? Just try it. So good. But of course, what would you comment down below and tell me what would you have it with? You know what I have it with? Just some white rice. Never need nothing else. What am I saying? Nothing else. Look past steam. Because Vibes Fam, the rice freshly cooked. What? And the salmon freshly cooked. I just beer steam. Just a burst. Left, right, and center steam. Just a bust out and a bust out. Vibes Fam, looking at this, I'm telling you, I would do well with a plate right now. It's like, sometime I'm telling you, it's like it's not me cook these food because I'm lusting after them. And my food, but it's so good. And you can imagine how I feel because me know how it tastes. Steam! My friend Steam, I see you. Steamy. Steamy. Nothing like a hot plate of food. Nothing like a hot plate of Vibes Fam, oh my goodness. Tell me you don't want it. Don't you want it? Yes. Well, don't worry. I tasted for both of us. I had it for both of us and it was so good. I don't need nothing else, just the salmon and the rice. And me, nice. But Vibes Fam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. God bless you.